We're going outside for the first blizzard of 2021.
Blizzard. Lake Tahoe.
Wow! This is amazing.
So this is like the beginning of the big blizzard, which they said people stay home. Don't go outside. Wow.
Be careful, guys.
That's what I told him to be careful because live in the snow, I know.
I don't think this thing's gonna withstand the weather.
Now it's just raining.
Yeah, it's more raining.
Really weird because it's 28 degrees.
So
Show you in the morning when we get up.
let's see how deep it is in the house.
Oh, wow. That's how much it dropped last night.
10 inches.
Starting to snow. Baby, you want some cold stone? Cold stone? Ice cream?
Can't get hot donuts with cold ice cream.
Kind of weird. All for good reason? What do you guys think? Can you see snowflakes, Ruby?
See if I get one away.
Fire and ice. Oh, is it blizzardy? Is this what they call a blizzard?
Yeah.
Like, there's so much snow. Everyone's just out playing in it.
But I'm telling you, they have to have heaters underneath the ground. There's no way that the snow is everywhere except for here.
Yay! So we're in Heavenly Village, and it's starting to snow right now. I could only be out here for maybe another 10 minutes before I get sopping wet.
And she's not wearing gloves.
This is how much I love you guys. That's how much you mean to me. Ooh, what are they doing over there, baby? Creating a walkway?
Against the sidewalks that are. He's like, yes, I don't know. We've got to figure this out because it doesn't make any sense that all the walkways are cleared.
What do we have here, baby? Oh, Pace Camp Pizza. We're coming here. Yeah. Look, you guys, here's a skating rink, right? Look at all the snow that dumped last night. It's on everything.
He's clearing out the walkway. See, like I said, he's clearing out the walkway. This walkway has got no snow on it, so it's obviously heated. So that's it's probably frozen by now.
Yeah.
It's now turned into a frozen TV dinner.
Oh my God, I think my coffee's cold now too.
That's exactly what I remember.
I like their sandwiches here.
It's actually not bad.
Yeah. It's beautiful, right? Snowy right here. We're underneath cover. There's Dave trying to eat.
Kathy's doing it. She doesn't have any gloves on. I've had gloves on the whole time. I just took them off just to eat, and my hands are already freezing.
What a cute little dog. I think a bite of the sandwich is pretty good. But it's not as good as my coffee. So Dave and I just got some Starbucks. We're heading back to the room. But, like,
So it doesn't
that's
seem
pretty
as-
deep though, baby.
It's-
What is that? 2 feet? 3 feet maybe?
Well,
From
that
here
whole-
to
that
there,
whole
yeah.
drift, yeah, maybe 2 feet. But still, again, I still need to figure out why the sidewalks don't have any snow on it.
It's gotta be heated.
It's got to be heated. So, but the weather warnings made it seem like it was going to be so treacherous out here, but it doesn't seem bad at all, honestly. I mean, I thought we weren't even going to be able to leave the room. Well, leave the casino. Well, hopefully something will open up maybe later on this afternoon. Now we know that we can walk over here.
Those little domes that look like marshmallows, they're fire pits with covers, so they look like snowballs. You know that food?
Or a big scoop of ice cream.
Or a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. Or the best shaved ice ever.
Anyways, supposedly it's going to be pretty bad all day, so we'll probably come out later on when it's actually snowing, because right now it's nothing. I mean, I'm basically wearing a flannel.
I am wearing just this.
Yeah, she's wearing a hoodie.
So it's not bad.
Except for your hands got to be freezing.
No, I keep one hand warm,
And
and then when it gets cold, I switch. Last night it was cold. I think it's the wind made it super, super cold. Like now. Woo.
So we have our heater on like 84 to
Oh my gosh! Woo! Holy moly!
Yeah, that makes
you
it
can
colder.
really feel it.
I'm gonna have to throw Kathy's coffee away. I would have put my hand in my pocket.
Okay, here, I can hold my coffee.
I know. Holy. That's cool.
Here's the gondolas.
Should head back. It's gonna.
I think it's gonna get colder.
Well, I think it's gonna get colder and windier, and it's actually gonna probably start snowing. So can we head back?
Yes. ATM lockers and more snow and wind. But this is Heavenly Valley, guys, or Heavenly Village.
Looks like they're doing another controlled fire burn.
Another one?
Yeah, look.
Oh, look. Aww. Look, they're doing controlled burns. Do you see it, all that smoke? They were doing it yesterday, Dave and I thought, oh my God, a fire. We thought, how weird in the snow.
Even the firemen have to work in blizzards.
That's right.
Police, ambulance, all those guys. We all thank you for your service.